welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to follow along with me as I continue on my journey of a low sodium vegan diet. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sade. I have 5 children and I'm a homeschool mom. My children are 8, 5, 3, and then I have 1-year-old twins. So it is challenging to take care of myself. And I know there's this whole self-care movement, but at the end of the day, my children and my husband, my family, they still need me. So it's kind of like self-care, but also taking care of other people, but also if I'm dead, this can't happen. So there's a healthy balance with taking care of yourself and taking care of your family, and I'm just on that journey trying to find the balance. I haven't had anything to eat yet. It's 10:03. I'm drinking some water. And I'm finishing that up. We're about to...
I'm hungry.
Okay. We're about to go to the grocery store, so I'm sure I'm gonna grab a coffee while I'm out. And yeah, that's about it. I'm also going to make a salad, and then I did make a vegan lasagna. So the kids are gonna grab a snack so they can have that. Go ahead and grab a snack, guys. You can grab a...
Can we have a pineapple?
I don't have any pineapple.
Can you just get one?
Oh, I can get, yeah, well, I got to the store. I got a pineapple.
Yay!
And yeah, that's about it. Alright, we're back from the grocery store. The boys are going to wash some grapes. And I have a sandwich from Panera Bread. I don't know if the bread is vegan or not, but I'm gonna eat it. It's the tomato basil bread, but it's old. It's a couple days old, like 2 days ago. So I'm going to add some alfalfa sprouts to it to kind of thicken it up and bulk it up a little bit. And so that's what I'm gonna eat. It's 12:54. And I got a brown sugar oat chicken espresso from Starbucks. You guys want my ice?
Yes.
Alright, so I ordered this a couple nights ago. The bread is a little hard. I'm going to replace the bread. Hold on. So I got this green olive, tapenade, green olive and tomato. Got that from Harris Teeter. So I'm going to put that on one side of my sandwich. This is super duper good.
What is that you're putting on?
You want to taste it?
Can I taste this one?
That I'm not going to eat it because the bread got hard. So if I'm not going to eat it, I wouldn't want you to eat that. But here, I'm making, here.
Is it going to be good?
Taste it. I have an avocado that turned out pretty well, so I'm going to put that on my sandwich. Alright, I'm going to season my avocado with some fresh black pepper, this side too, some onion powder, some garlic powder, just a little bit of spice, some crushed red pepper, and some parsley. I'm going to take some of these alfalfa sprouts, put that on there. I have some tomatoes that I sliced up from my husband's lunch. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of those slices on here. So big, takes up the whole slice of bread. And then I have some salad from, let me fix it up. some salad from another dinner. I'm probably gonna eat the salad for dinner, but I'm gonna take some and spread it out on here. And it does have some added vegetables to it, like some tomatoes, olives, cucumbers, some onion, and some yellow pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of this Creole seasoning to my tomato. I know, should not be eating a lot of that because it's 15% sodium. I'm going to cut up some apples. Well, I already cut up some apples. I thinly sliced them. I'm going to put some of that on top of there. Bulk it up a little bit. And then I think I'm going to make some mushrooms in the air fryer to bulk it up a little bit. Alright, so to my mushrooms, I only have about 4. I added some garlic powder already. So I'm going to add some onion powder. Pepper, some avocado oil, some nutritional yeast, just a dash of agave, smoked paprika, and a little bit of coconut aminos. I'm gonna stir it up and throw it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Alright, mushroom bacon's done. Not really all the way done, but I'm so hungry. It's okay. I do prefer it a little bit crispy. There's my sandwich. I'm gonna have it with some avocado verde sauce and some, can't say it all the way, huh? Some blue corn chips. Cheers. It's really good. Let me know if you guys try it. I got this idea from, or some variation of it. I got this idea from Sweet Greens Vegan. So, I think she made her own tapenade sauce or something like it. And that's what got me thinking, like, I could just go get that from Harris Teeter. So, that's what I'm going to eat for lunch. I'm going to eat that and I will check back in with you guys probably for a snack. Alright, I'm about to work with my son with his reading. So I'm going to challenge myself to, in the 20 minutes, finish half of this, and this will make 2 of these. I try to drink 4. 1 before everyone wakes up, 1 before breakfast, 1 before lunch. I'm already 1 down because I should have completed 1 for lunch, but I didn't. So, try to drink my second one for the day.
I can do that.
Ready, bud? Alright, so he actually finished 2 lessons and I did not. I did about a 4, so I'm about to guzzle this down. But you got it on finish homeschooling my son, and now I'm going to homeschool my daughter. And I'm going to challenge myself to finish 1 of these while I homeschool her. I finished my water when I was homeschooling my son, so I think I'm in good standing. So that will give me 3. So I made some vegan lasagna the other day. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven to warm it up. The recipe for that should already be up on this channel. So I will link it here so that you guys can see how I made it. I bought this when I went grocery shopping, and while my lasagna is heating up, I'm going to add some grapes to it. And, oops. and snack on this while I wait for my dinner. This is really good fruit. I got it from Food Line. I seems like they cut it at just the right time. You want another piece? Here, Mama. Thank you for watching. This is what I had for dinner. I didn't end up having anything else afterwards, so that's all I have for you today. And I ended up completing 2.5 cups of water. So 32 plus 32 is plus 16. If you hadn't heard today, please know that Heavenly Father loves you, and don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.